Take a look at Chipotle's hiring surge. They onboarded 20,000 new employees in 2 months, driving a 75% reduction in time to hire. Achieving this throughput is impossible under traditional HR models, which force volume through a rigid, linear funnel down to centers of excellence. For years, the software industry attempted to speed up this funnel using robotic process automation. But RPA is entirely deterministic. It relies on rigid if-then-else logic. It can only execute a task if the input matches a perfectly predefined rule. Because human beings rarely submit perfectly structured requests, RPA systems fail constantly. When an employee asks a nuanced question about leave eligibility, or a candidate needs to reschedule a specific interview slot, the deterministic logic breaks, and the automated pipeline grinds to a halt, kicking the workload back to human operators. Agentic AI functions as an intelligent execution layer sitting between the employee and systems of record. Where RPA follows static rules, Agentic AI interprets human intent. It evaluates context, considers variables, and dynamically determines the most efficient path, even when encountering unexpected data. This transfers the burden of multi-step, cross-system coordination directly to the software. Removing these manual handoffs allows the HR function to process high-volume requests without the administrative bottlenecks that typically cap organizational growth. To understand how Agentic AI operates autonomously, we have to deconstruct its underlying architecture. This schematic represents the agentic execution cycle, a continuous 4-layer process that dictates how the system reads, thinks, and acts. Node 1 handles input and context. The agent simultaneously ingests structured data from an HR information system and unstructured natural language directly from an employee's message. It cross-references the request against the employee's contextual state, matching geographic location, contract type, and system status. That package of context moves to Node 2, the reasoning engine. This is where the architecture breaks away from traditional automation. Relying on retrieval-augmented generation, or RAG, the large language model queries trusted organizational data to evaluate operational constraints. It then dynamically sequences the specific, multi-step workflow required to solve the user's problem. But an enterprise system cannot act purely on algorithmic deduction. Note 3 applies governance and guardrails. The agent is restricted by hard-coded boundaries. These guardrails enforce strict approval thresholds, regional compliance rules, and granular access controls. If a sequence generated by the reasoning engine breaches any of these thresholds, the system triggers an escalation protocol, instantly routing the complex request to a human specialist. If the sequence passes governance, it hits Node 4, action and execution. The agent writes directly to enterprise databases. It updates human capital management platforms, triggers payroll adjustments in the ERP, and sends confirmation messages back to the user. Input, reasoning, governance, action. This entire cycle executes in milliseconds, running entirely in the background without a single manual human intervention unless a strict exception is flagged. The 4-layer cycle turns enterprise software into an active participant in HR operations. When applied to massive, complex enterprise networks, this 4-layer architecture handles operational loads that would collapse human-driven teams. Consider advanced micro devices, 30,000 employees supported by a 15-person HR help desk. By deploying agentic orchestration, AI sits directly between employees and systems of record. Processing entirely within Microsoft Teams, the agent retrieved context, routed approvals, and executed transactions in SAP SuccessFactors. The result was an 80% reduction in the time required to resolve routine inquiries. We see the same architectural efficiency at Chipotle. To double their restaurant count, they required a system handling extreme seasonal hiring surges. Their agent manages candidate experience through conversational text, ingesting chat data, screening criteria, and determining viability. Relying on its reasoning engine, the agent autonomously coordinates logistics to schedule interviews. Simultaneously, it executes integrations across external job boards, background check APIs, and tax credit databases, syncing outcomes directly into Workday. The initial phases of talent acquisition occur continuously, bypassing manual recruiter coordination entirely. Agentic orchestration is currently the only proven method capable of managing these high-volume, multilingual surges without requiring a massive expansion in HR headcount. Adopting agentic AI separates execution from judgment. Look again at the traditional tiered HR model. As agentic AI assumes responsibility for execution, every layer of this structure evolves. Shared services and the lower-tier help desks dissolve into an AI service layer. This layer autonomously absorbs the vast majority of high-volume coordination, policy checks, and routine system execution. Next, the centers of excellence shift their focus. They become AI design and governance hubs. Instead of managing manual programs, their mandate is to design the operational guardrails, program the decision frameworks, and ensure the AI's actions align with organizational compliance. Finally, the HR business partners elevate entirely to strategy. Unburdened by operational and administrative load, they operate exclusively as high-trust advisors, focusing their time on organizational design, leadership effectiveness, and high-stakes human decisions. Consistency and scalability are handled by machines. Exceptions and empathy are handled by humans. Systemic HR prioritizes the architecture of autonomous systems over manual transactions. The function is now defined by its ability to drive the enterprise forward.